What's up everybody, it's Nick back with another video. Today we're using celery and potatoes to make a healthy and delicious baby food. So I got some organic celery, organic potatoes. I think 2 potatoes will be enough here. Take our celery, remove some of the stalks. 7 should be good. So we'll cut the ends off of our celery. Now we'll make sure we give that a good wash. Once the celery is washed, we'll cut it down, about 1 inch size cuts of celery. Add it to the steamer pot. Now we'll peel our potatoes. Show you a little trick to peeling a potato. Peel the top off the potato, grab a fork, put it inside the potato, hold it like so. Makes it a little easier to peel a potato because your hand's not in the way. Now that our potatoes are peeled, we'll cut that up. We want to make sure the potatoes are cut a little bit smaller than the celery. It's going to take longer to cook the potato, and we want the celery and potato to cook at the same time. About half the size of our cuts of celery. That looks good. We'll add that to the steamer pot along with the celery. An easier way to cut the potato if you like, just grab a box grater and grate up the potato. Add our other potato in the steam pot. Put this on the steamer, let this cook for about 10 minutes or until tender. 10 minutes later, our vegetables are nice and tender. We'll add it to our blender here. I'm going to add a little bit of celery seed to add some flavor. Fill up the blender halfway, formula, breast milk or filtered water, blend it until smooth. Add that mixture to a container. This will keep in your fridge up to 5 days. Store it in the freezer for up to 3 months. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you in the next one.